Do you recall studying evolution of human being in class as a child? We have evolved from apes to human. Have you ever wondered about evolution of accountancy subject? Accounting evolved from a subject to a profession over time. So let us see the different phases of the evolution of accounting in this video. A long time ago, there was no money. People would request desired items and compensate the owner with a gift or service equal to the product's value. Trade and commerce actually started from the barter system. During barter system as well, people felt the need to record the transactions. However, no profound foundation was in place for the purpose of recording those transactions. Hence, people used to record those transactions as per their own format and ease. People of those times recorded transactions, which read like narratives with dates and descriptions of trades made or terms for services rendered. Check this example. Mohan, a carpenter, agrees to make 1 chest of drawers in exchange for a year's worth of wheat. The wheat is to be delivered daily once the chest is finished. Why was it important to record transactions? Because humans are humans. Disputes are part and parcel of trade and commerce, whether in barter era or today's era. If a dispute arose, they provided proof when matters were brought before magistrates. Let us now look at some historical evidences of accounting. Accounting is said to have its origins in the ancient times. The seeds of accounting were most likely first sown in Babylonia and Egypt around 4000 BC, who recorded transactions of payment of wages and taxes on clay tablets. Do you know that Babylonia was known as the city of commerce? Egyptians used some form of accounting for their treasuries, where gold and other valuables were kept. The in charge of treasuries had to send day-wise reports to their superiors known as wazirs, and from there, month-wise reports were sent to kings. In Greece, accounting was used for apportioning the revenues received among treasuries, maintaining total receipts, total payments, and balance of government financial transactions. Romans used memorandum, or daybook, wherein receipts and payments were recorded, and wherefrom they were posted to ledgers on monthly basis. China used sophisticated form of government accounting as early as 2000 BC. Now coming to India. Accounting practices in India could be traced back to a period when 23 centuries ago, Kautilya, a minister in Chandragupta's kingdom, wrote a book named Arthashastra, which also described how accounting records had to be maintained. Next comes the emergence of bookkeepers. With better civilization, currency became available all over the world. Volume of transactions surged across the globe. As a result, a better system of recording transactions became the need of the day. Merchants would employ bookkeepers to maintain a record of what they owed and who owed debts to them. This is what leads to what we call a single entry system. Until the late 1400s, this information was arranged in a narrative style. This is called single entry bookkeeping. Here's a sample of a bookkeeper's single entry system. You can see how the entries are laid out with a date, description, and whether it was owed or received by the symbols in the amount column. However, the system has a significant disadvantage. The bookkeeper has to go through each and every entry and add and subtract each item one by one to reach to the ultimate result. And it was a very time-consuming and less informative system. In year 1494, an Italian monk named Luca Pacioli put up his work, Double-Entry Bookkeeping System, which is the foundation of today's modern accounting. There is a debate. He did not claim to be the inventor of double-entry system, but he explored how the concepts could be used in a more efficient and organized way. So debate or no debate, Luca Pacioli is more commonly known as father of modern accounting. This is a short video about the history of accounting. Do not forget to check this. I am including the link in the description of this video. Now coming to the flow of accounting in India. Before the double-entry bookkeeping system in India, Desinama, or Vahi Padhati, is the traditional accounting system developed and used in the Indian subcontinent. But the question is, why we would adopt double-entry system when our own traditional system was well in place? Reason is, to make uniformity with the international accounting. In the colonization period, the Britishers required accountants and clerks who can manage, understand, and write books of accounts in the dual entries. Britishers started to train Indian accountants and students with modern accounting aspects. Now coming to birth of accounting as a profession, there was growth of limited liability companies and larger-scale manufacturing and logistic, due to which demand surged for more technically proficient accountants. Increasing importance of accountants helped to transform accounting into a profession, first in the UK and then in the US. In 1904, 8 people formed the London Association of Accountants, which was later renamed as the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, that is ACCA, in India, after the independence, on the recommendation made by the Expert Committee. On 1 May 1949, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, that is ICAI, it was reorganized and recognized as an autonomous body. I have taken reference for making this video from NCERT book of Class 11 and newsletter of Nagpur branch of his ICAI. I am putting link of same in description box for your reference. Thank you all for watching my video. I hope you found the content informative and engaging. If you want to explore this presentation independently, you can find the link in the video description. Please feel free to use it. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Feel free to leave any comments or questions below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.